Need to start accepting payments on your GoDaddy website? In this video, I'll show you how to set up the GoDaddy payment gateway on your site in just a few simple steps. First, log into your GoDaddy account and go to the Websites plus Marketing section. Under Online Store, select Payments to get started. GoDaddy offers an integrated payment gateway, allowing you to easily accept credit card payments, PayPal, and other options. Click on Set up Payments to begin. Next, choose your preferred payment provider. You can integrate with GoDaddy Payments for a seamless experience or select a third-party provider like PayPal, Stripe, or others, depending on what works best for your business. After selecting your payment provider, you'll need to enter your business details, such as your name, business name, and tax information. This helps ensure that your payments are processed smoothly. Once you've entered the information, connect your payment provider by logging into your account, for example, PayPal or Stripe, and following the prompts to authorize the connection. You can also customize your checkout page to match your website's branding. GoDaddy allows you to adjust colors, fonts, and layout to provide a smooth shopping experience for your customers. Once your payment gateway is set up, make sure to test it by making a small purchase to ensure everything is working correctly. And that's it. You've successfully set up GoDaddy's payment gateway for your website, and you're ready to start accepting payments online. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more GoDaddy and online store tips.